Hi guys, what's up? Back to the weightlifting bench build project. I have legs here for this bench. These are not totally finished yet. Next I have to think about this bench part. I want to build here something that I can attach this bench and also that it's stable. I was thinking about something like this, but not this massive. It doesn't have to be this massive. It seems that good width for the bench is about 25 centimeters. So let's do that next. Maybe I will also secure this with screws or wooden plugs. I'm not so big fan of screws that I can see. This bench part itself, I'm going to use this. This is something that I used for gluing stuff. It doesn't have to look good because anyway I have to make it soft somehow. So I have to cover it. I think I will do it double. 25 centimeters wide and 1 meter long. These two boards, I'm not going to glue these together because this glue really doesn't stick to this surface. So I'm just going to use screws. Yeah, it's freezing here outside, but at least I don't have to clean this wood dust. I'm just going to use screws through these boards, and again I can't really use any glue, it doesn't do anything, this surface, it won't stick. First I will kind of secure this with wooden plugs. Okay, next I have to think about where I will screw these legs. Let's say that this is where is my head. This I think I will put it quite close to this end. But this one it doesn't have to be because there's not that much weight here. I think the most of the weight is about here. I think those are the longest what I have. Oh no, I have longer ones. Good, I hope I have enough pilot holes that it's not going to break this wood. I think this frame of this bench is now done. Only thing what I have to do is this cover. I have to buy something soft here and then something that I can cover this bench. It has to be something which doesn't suck moist and which is easy to clean. This 1 meter long, it's just enough for me. I'm 185. For us, it's enough. And next, we need something where we can put this weight. I will now cut these away. This plywood, it should be really strong material for that. This bar, this weight bar, it's about 30 millimeters wide. It should fit here. The front part is a little bit lower and this rear part is a little bit higher. I really like to use this machine. It's a shame that I don't need it more. Now the question is that which would be better, to have these legs wide like this or narrow close to this bench. Obviously I have to make some kind of a support between these two legs because now these are not stable. I will try with these short ones first. I'm not going to glue these, I will just screw these in place. If the system feels dangerous or stupid, then I will just remove these and I will make longer ones. That's easy to do. Last step, I have to make this bench a little bit soft. I was in our local Bauhaus, I found this one. They had many options. This is 30 millimeters thick. This on the top, that was a little bit more challenging. I couldn't really find anything except this one. And that's for the table. It should be fine. It's quite strong material. It's a vegan leather. It should be easy to clean and hopefully it won't suck any moist. It shouldn't because it's meant to be on the top of the table and there could be water and other liquids. I'm not sure, should I bend it over this edge? So let's see how it goes, how strong this is. That was pretty good. Yeah, this should be maybe some kind of rubber or something, but I don't have, so this will do. It works. Now we just have to learn how to use it, that we won't break ourselves. Now let's get serious. This is my last video. At the moment my life situation is that I don't have enough time to make these videos like I should. For example, this last project, it took me almost 2 months to build. It doesn't work in YouTube. I should make at least 1 video per week, maybe 10-15 minutes, and projects from start to finish in the same video. That's, I think, is something what people want to see. My car videos are doing pretty good. I will try, if something is going wrong with my car, if I have to fix something, I will try to find some time to also make a video about that. I will lose my monetization, so I won't get paid. But I probably will lose it because after some time I won't get enough views, and of course they will cancel it. That's not a problem at all. I don't make money doing these videos. Actually, I'm going to save money when I'm not doing these videos if I want to find something positive. Making money doing these videos, it wasn't my goal ever. I like to make this project. I like to build things. I like to fix my car. I also like to travel, do some videos about that. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewers who are watching my videos. It's always nice to see some comments in my videos. In the future, I hope that I can get back to do these videos. I think that's it, guys, but still I will say that see you next time.